Hey guys, this is Tito Byce here today, and today I'm going to show y'all how to use advanced searches using PubMed. And this is the screen it's going to bring you to whenever you search up PubMed. And today I'm going to search up kinesiology for y'all. And so I'm going to search up kinesiology for y'all today, and I had already searched it up. And like I said, most of the articles on this website are already peer-reviewed. So, and if you find out that they're not peer-reviewed, you can go to your advanced settings up here, and you can add terms to the query box, and you can use all of these certain advanced searches, or use your and or not, like we learned earlier in my recent video. And you can just add edits to your search here, and it'll show you your history of what you have searched up. So I'm going to go back to what I searched up in the beginning, and this is the first article that I found, and it's called "The Effective Kinesiology Tape Application Direction on Quadriceps Strength." So I'm going to click on that, and it's a good article. It'll show you your background, your methods, results, and conclusions. You go back here. Then the next one is immediate effect of kinesiology tape on ankle stability. And right here again, it'll show you your background, aim, methods, results, conclusion, and keywords. And going down a little bit. So we're going to scroll down a little bit here, and we're going to come up on this article right here, Developmental Kinesiology, 3 Levels of Motor Control in the Assessment and Treatment of the Motor System. And again, it's going to show you these keywords, abstract, and it's going to also show us some similar articles to this in your citations. Thank you guys for watching today, and see y'all in the next video.